Hi, is the bus late?
Hello. Do you know if the bus is running behind schedule?
I think it's late today.
It seems the bus is delayed this morning.
The weather is cold.
It's pretty chilly out here today.
Do you take this bus every day?
Do you usually wait for this bus in the mornings?
I'm going to work.
I'm heading to my job for the day.
You work nearby?
Do you happen to work close to this area?
I moved here last month.
I actually just moved to this neighborhood recently.
People are nice here.
Everyone seems really friendly around here.
The bus stop looks new.
This bus stop seems newly renovated.
Do you like this place?
How do you feel about living around here?
I like the coffee shop.
I really enjoy the little cafe nearby.
Their coffee is good.
They make really great coffee, actually.
I'm still learning English.
I'm still trying to improve my English skills.
I practice every day.
I try to study a little bit each day.
Talking helps me a lot.
Conversations like this really help me improve.
I hope my English gets better.
I really hope I can speak more confidently soon.
Thanks for talking with me.
I appreciate you chatting with me this morning.
Oh, the bus is here.
Looks like our bus finally arrived.
Let's get in line.
Let's queue up before it gets crowded.
See you tomorrow.
Hope to see you again at the stop tomorrow.
You look tired today.
You seem a bit sleepy this morning.
I slept late yesterday.
I didn't get much sleep last night.
Mondays are hard.
Mondays always feel a little rough.
The bus is slow again.
The bus service seems slow this morning.
I hate waiting.
I'm not a fan of long waits either.
I brought coffee today.
I made myself some coffee before leaving home.
It keeps me warm.
It really helps in this cold weather.
You like coffee too?
Do you also enjoy drinking coffee in the morning?
I drink 1 cup.
I usually stick to just 1 cup a day.
Sometimes 2.
Sometimes I end up having a second cup.
I don't like strong coffee.
I prefer something mild rather than very strong.
You like sweet coffee?
Do you prefer your coffee sweet or plain?
I choose sweet.
I usually like mine a bit sweetened.
You look happier today.
You seem to be in a good mood this morning.
The sun feels nice.
The sunlight is actually very comforting right now.
I like quiet mornings.
I enjoy calm mornings like this.
Your bag is pretty.
Your bag looks really nice, by the way.
Thank you. Bus still not here.
Looks like there's another delay.
Let's hope it comes soon.
Fingers crossed the bus arrives any minute now.
I woke up early today.
I got up much earlier than usual this morning.
I made breakfast quickly.
I had to prepare breakfast in a hurry today.
I almost missed the bus.
I nearly missed the bus because I was running late.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Do you usually have breakfast before leaving?
Sometimes I skip it.
Sometimes I go without eating anything.
I know it's not good.
I know it's not the healthiest habit.
Want to be healthier.
I'm trying to live a healthier lifestyle these days.
Do you exercise?
Do you usually work out or stay active?
I walk sometimes.
I take walks when I can, just to keep moving.
Walking feels good.
It really helps clear the mind.
I want to try yoga.
I've been thinking about starting yoga too.
Do you like mornings?
Are you more of a morning person?
I like quiet mornings.
I really enjoy peaceful mornings before work.
The bus is still late.
Looks like there's another delay today.
I don't want to be late for work.
I'm hoping we don't end up arriving late.
Do you walk to work after the bus?
Do you usually walk once we get off the bus?
I walk 10 minutes.
My office is about a 10-minute walk from the stop.
That's nice.
That's actually a great short walk.
Oh, the bus is coming.
Finally, it looks like our bus is approaching.
It might rain today.
It looks like there's a chance of rain later.
I forgot my umbrella.
I completely forgot to bring my umbrella too.
Rain makes me sleepy.
Rainy weather always makes me feel drowsy.
I like sunny days.
I prefer warm, sunny weather.
It feels windy today.
The wind is pretty strong this morning.
My hair is a mess.
The wind totally ruined my hair today.
It's cold, too.
The temperature dropped a lot overnight.
I want hot tea.
I could really use a warm cup of tea right now.
Cold mornings are hard.
Cold mornings make it tough to get started.
You like winter?
Are you someone who enjoys winter weather?
I don't like snow.
Snowy days are beautiful but difficult to deal with.
Summer is better,
I definitely prefer summertime.
but not too hot.
As long as it's not extremely hot, it's nice.
Weather changes fast.
The weather shifts quickly around here.
My mood changes too.
The weather really affects my mood sometimes.
I feel better when the sun shines.
Sunshine always lifts my mood.
Are you okay today?
Everything all right on your side today?
Just tired.
I'm just feeling a bit drained, honestly.
Hope today gets better.
I really hope the day treats you kindly.
Bus is coming.
Here we go. The bus finally arrived.
I have a busy day.
My schedule is packed today.
Too many emails.
I already have a pile of emails waiting.
Meetings again.
I've got back-to-back meetings today.
My boss is strict.
My manager is pretty demanding these days.
I like my job, but it's tiring.
I enjoy my work, even though it drains me sometimes.
You like your job?
Are you happy with what you do for work?
I want something new.
I feel like I need a change in my career.
I want to learn more.
I'm looking to develop new skills this year.
Work is stressful.
The workload has been overwhelming lately.
I need a break.
I could really use a short vacation.
Do you take breaks at work?
Do you usually step away from your desk sometimes?
I forget to rest.
I often forget to take proper breaks too.
I eat lunch fast.
I usually eat lunch in a hurry.
Work makes me tired.
Work tends to drain my energy by midday.
But I still try my best.
I keep giving my best, even when it's tough.
You're hardworking.
You always seem very dedicated.
Thanks for saying that.
That means a lot. Thank you.
The bus is late again.
Another delay, as usual.
What a morning.
It's been a rough start to the day.
Hope work goes well.
I hope your day turns out better than it started.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.